day 5 of Inktober, and today's prompt was blade. The first thing that comes in the mind of a 90s kid from India is the shaving blades that our fathers or even any other elder men would have used while shaving. So this is the typical structure that I'm trying to draw here of a blade, a shaving blade that is very common even in the normal shopping carts. So this Inktober kind of is making me very much nostalgic. Like yesterday's drawing was radio. I could remember the radio that we had, and this is blade. As promised, I'm not using pencils at all. The sketch is done using ball pens. Only one ball pen that I have used here, and once the sketch was done, I have used the Parker ink to fill the colors. The colors are not too dark this time. I have used a lot of water because the blades are generally made of steel, aluminium or similar metals. So this kind of looked close to what we see generally. So with this, I would stop my voiceover for today and will keep you with the music. Enjoy it and please be with me, because your encouragement, your support that you have been giving me throughout this Inktober from day 1 now, this is the 5th day, is great. So I guess I can complete this with your complete support. So subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and like the video if you have liked it, and somehow you do remember things that are nostalgic to you. Keep drawing and keep uploading. Happy Inktober to all of us. See you tomorrow again.